Hello guys, today I have the ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge and I'm going to show you how you can easily clean the main brush in this vacuum. At first, turn your robot upside down. Carefully of course, but do so. Not like me. Now once you have done that, you can find... Wait a moment, what's happening here? I hope nothing. Okay. Here we have our robot, and the thing we need to do at first is take and pull these clips here. Now we do have, as I can see, this lid. It doesn't really matter if it's left or right. Don't worry. The thing that matters is that you need to just remember to pull this here back again. Now here, as I can see, we have our brush, and we can clean it using this over here without pulling this out of it, or pull this just like this. You need to remember that one is red and it's mentioned here and here, and one is gray and it's mentioned here and here. Now you can rinse them with water. You can just clean this just like you would clean a normal brush. And now to pull them back into here, you need to just do something like this. Of course with ease, not like me. It won't be like this, it will be like this, I think. Okay, now it's here, it's mounted, the same as this, and now we can place back here the cover. Now it's done. As you can see, everything sits correctly. And as for the cleaning the brush itself, you can use some small cutting tool and brush to cut the hair that are bad. Apart from that, if any hair are wrapped around here, you can just cut them too. You need to remove the debris from the bristles and wipe the brush with a dry cloth. You can use some water, as I said, but do this carefully with caution so that you won't damage it. And make sure that if you put them back here, they need to be dry. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.